So welcome to the workshop. Okay. So what is the workshop agenda is like today? Yeah. So today we'll be talking about what is Python with AI and why Python is so important, right? So that is what you are trying to learn as a part of this workshop here. Okay. Okay, right. So this is Python with AI. So this is nothing but a roadmap. So roadmap for Python with AI. So I think, yeah, dear students, all are freshers. All are freshers. All are freshers. Yes. Any existing students are there, right? All are freshers, right? Okay. Okay. So, are you interested? Yes. Okay. Are you interested in learning AI? Career gap also, no problem. Yes. So this workshop is for all the people. This workshop, this workshop is for all the people. All the people. So those are freshers. So freshers or career gap. So no problem. Okay, all the people can able to attend this course. No problem. So this workshop is for all the people, those who are freshers, as well as having some career gap. No problem. Now, now as a programmer or as a fresher or a career gap, if you want to build, okay, as a fresher or a career gap, if you want to build your career in AI world, then what to start or how to start, what to learn. Now we'll be discussing about that. Okay. So nowadays, every company is asking for the knowledge of which one? AI. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. Even you are experienced or if you are working in a company, so even they are asking to upgrade skills of AI. So it is becoming very important learning AI for all the people, that is freshers as well as experience. Yes, that is what I'm saying it. Triveni. Yes. For example, a person, a software engineer is there. Okay. Okay, a software engineer who work for 3 years or 4 years. Okay, 3 years or 4 years, 3 to 4 years. Okay, 4 years on, assume that is working on Java. But his project manager or team lead, he said he wants some automation. He wants some automation. He wants some automation. Then he asked you to develop an agent. He asked you to develop what? AI agent. AI agent. Okay. So previously, these people are doing automation manually. Okay, by writing some code. Okay, but he wants certain things to be done by using which one? AI agent. Then compulsory, this person should upgrade from Java to which one? Agentic. Okay. So for that, he should start with what here? Python. For that, you should start with what here? Python only. Ring honor. So don't think that AI belongs to only a specific area, right? Not belongs to a specific area. So it is used in every part of application development, or it is used every part of software development. It is not only belongs to a software. So there are some companies which uses AI for okay, different reasons. Okay, right? Yes. So it is for freshers. It is for freshers as well as okay, it is for freshers as well as experience. Both the people able to understand this. So before starting this, okay, I think you have any knowledge of programming. You have any knowledge of programming? Yes. You people are having any knowledge of programming or coding? Okay, you have any knowledge of programming? Yes. Basic knowledge. Okay, you have a basic knowledge of programming. Okay. Yeah, this is full stack. Yeah. Yes. Basic knowledge of programming. So let me start with, okay, let me start with a simple definition. So now you know the word called AI. What is AI stands for? What is AI stands for? Okay, you know what is AI stands for? Artificial. What is AI stands for? Artificial intelligence. Yes, very good. What is artificial intelligence? Now tell me what is artificial intelligence? Yeah, come on. What is artificial intelligence? Work like a human. Okay, very good. Very good. Vasu. Yes, work like a human. Okay. Is a core need instead of how we learn handle the tools. Yeah, for developing, you use the tools, right? Ravi Varma, I'll come to you. Don't think bad. Okay, I'll come to you. So, what is artificial? What is artificial intelligence? Okay, what is artificial intelligence here? Okay, so I just take a definition of it. Okay, what is artificial? It is a branch of computer science, right? Lavanya, yes, yes. Okay, what is artificial intelligence is like I said, no, like so many definitions, all are good. All the definitions are good. Okay, so somebody is saying it is a branch of, it is a branch of, it is a branch of which one? Computer science. It is a branch of computer science. Okay, it is a branch of computer science. And somebody is writing like a machine with human like thinking. Okay, Pankaj, right? Machine with human like thinking. Okay, so Pankaj said like this, and work like human being. Okay, somebody, what's the name is this is Vasu, right? Yes. So there are so many definitions, right? So it is nothing but it is an ability. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or computer system to simulate which one? Human intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence is nothing but okay, simulating. Okay, it is a simulation of, or simulating, or simulation of uh, human intelligence. Okay, simulation of human intelligence. That is called as what? Artificial intelligence. You are simulating the human intelligence, like how what human can do. Human can think, thinking. What human can do, thinking. What human can do, learning. Okay, what human can do, decision making. Okay, decision making, right? Decision making. What human can do, what human can do, understand the languages, right? What human can do, understand what here language, and what a human can do, he can see images. Okay, he can see images, and audio, video, he can listen, and what he can do, he can solve what problems. So all these are done by human or not? Yes, dear students. Is it all these are the jobs which are done by whom? Human. Like thinking, learning, decision making, understanding the languages, seeing images, audio, video, right? And solving problems. All these are, yes, yes, all these are done by human. And you are simulating all this, you're simulating all this, and you are developing one system. You are simulating all this and you are developing one system. And what is that system is? AI. Very good. Very good. Yes. Triveni. Yes. Very good. You are simulating all this. You are simulating all this. Yes. Jagdish. Right. You are simulating all this and you are building one intelligent system. And Saikiran. Yes. That you call it as which one? Artificial intelligence. Clear up? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. You are simulating, yes, you are simulating all this and you are building one system, and that is called artificial intelligence. Okay, for example, a simple example you take, okay, like thinking, learning, decision making. If you see this, can you tell me an example of one which human point of view or human perspective? Can you tell me one example like thinking, learning, and decision making? Can you tell me one example? Can you tell me one example, human point of view, not AI point of view? Driverless car. Okay. Don't, not that much, not that much big, simple example. No, no, okay, self-driving, no, not that kind of thing. Okay, simple example. Like thinking, learning, decision making. Thinking, learning, decision making, simple one. Not driverless car, self-driving. Most of the students tell this example only. Whenever I talk about AI, most of the people think about driverless car only. Automation process. Automation process. Like, for example, okay, for example, yes, not, I'm saying, no, no, I'm not talking about that. A simple example I'm saying. Suppose now I want to travel. I want to travel. See, a simple example I'll tell you. No, no. Yes. Like ATM, it will automatically reply. No, not like that. No, no, don't. Yes, yes. You people are thinking beyond AI. Huh? Yes. Right, right, right. No, no, no. I'm just talking about simple thing. Okay, simple. Simple is, suppose you want to travel. You want to travel from one place to another place. Okay, you want to travel from place one to, simple, from place one to place two. Human, I'm saying. Don't think about systems. Think about human. You want to travel from one place to another place. Okay, you start thinking. What you start thinking? What you start thinking? How to reach from place one to place two, and you start thinking like how can I reach from this source place to destination place? Okay, in what do you call it as best route? You start thinking best route because there are multiple routes out there. There is a multiple routes out there. Multiple routes out there, right? There are multiple routes out there to reach from place one to what place two. Then you start thinking, and you start thinking, and you start manipulating. If you reach from this X to Y, then this many kilometers and this much time. If you reach from A to B, if you go from A to B route, okay, it will take this many kilometers and this much will take time. Yes or no? Yes or no? dear students? Okay, yes or no? And based on that, you start thinking it, right? You start thinking based on certain things. What what you're thinking about, like number of kilometers and how much time it will take. Okay, from reaching from source to destination from different routes, and based on that you learn certain things. Within that data you learn certain things, and after that you make some decision, right? How many ways to reach? Yes, Triven, yes, how many ways to reach, how many ways are there, and then you start thinking like from each road how much time it will take, how many kilometers. Okay, right. So all this you take into the consideration and you take a decision, like which one is the shortest route, which one is the shortest route, right? So you are thinking like this. Okay, in the same way, if you work with this, what is this? Google Maps is there. Google Maps, yes, Google Maps like a human. Is it Google Maps think like a human or not? Yes, Google Maps think like a human, and it will show you the shortest route or not. Google Maps will show you the shortest route or best route prediction or not. Yes, it will show you the best route prediction. So artificial intelligence is nothing but predicting only. So best prediction it will do. Best route prediction is do. Okay, that is done by that is done by one system. Okay, that is done by one system. That is done by one system. And what is that system is? AI. So that is Google Maps. If you say Google Maps, okay, so that is finding the shortest route, best route. So now this intelligent you are applying to what? One application. Human intelligence you apply to one application. Yes, what is that application is? Google Maps. Is it Google Maps is the best example for AI or not? Yes, Google Maps is the best example for AI, which will find or predict best route. Are you getting or not, dear students? Are you getting or not? Yes, dear students, please try to respond. Okay, so please try to respond. You should be interactive. Okay, like Chat GPT. How you should interactive, right? So Google Maps is an example. Now, can you tell me any other example? Can you tell me any other example? Can you tell me any other example? Google Maps, I said. Google Maps, I said. Now, can you tell me any other example? Like human, Google Assistant work. Uber, okay. Uber, what? Same like Ola, Uber. It uses Google Maps only, right? Any other? Somebody said, what do you call it as movie recommendation? No, no, movie recommendation is there. Movie recommendation. Movie recommendations are there. Movie recommendation or product recommendation. Product recommendation is there. Recommendation. Okay, recommendations. Movie recommendation or recommendation system. So what is the meaning of this is movie recommendation or product recommendation? Suggestions. Okay, it's nothing but suggestions. Suggestions to what here? Customer. Suggestions to customer. And how you take the suggestion, I mean how you take the suggestion generally. Human is there human is there now you want to purchase one product. You want to purchase one product, and when you want to purchase one, yes, based on, yes, you want to purchase one product. Yes, Ravi Varma, yes, Pankaj, yes, very good. Yes, right, very good. Yes, yes. So you want to purchase one product. How you purchase the product? How you purchase a product? You purchase a product by taking which one? Past data. Past data means, okay, you take a lot of research on this product. Okay, you will say company, okay, price, okay, price, and what is that product quality, which you call it as which one? Rating. Based on that, you take a decision. Okay, you take a decision whether to purchase this product or not. Not only that, see, now what I'm saying is suggestion to customers means, suppose you are purchasing one product, you purchase one product or you just see the information about one product, then a recommendation system will it show you the similar products or not? Will it show the similar products or not? Yes, it will show you the similar products. But how it shows the similar products? By using a past data or not? Yes. What product you search? Sorry, not this one. So what product you search? What product you search? So based on that, it will try to recommend similar products. Based on that, it will try to recommend similar products. Now that you can call it as a recommendation system or not? Yes. But how it is? Based on the previous activities? Yes, Pankaj. Based on the previous activities or based on the previous feedback? Based on the previous activities or based on the previous pre yes, that is what you see in real life. Like you work with Instagram reels, right? But how that Instagram reels? Okay, will you get suppose if you see one video on YouTube or any Netflix or anything, it will try to show yes, likes in Instagram. Like when you like one reel in Instagram, then it will show the similar kind of reels based on that, based on actions. Yes. Now that is an example of which one? AI. Okay, so what is the difference between? Okay, generally, what is the difference between a normal program and AI program? Now tell me, what is the difference between a normal program and AI program? What is the difference between the normal program and AI program? Can you tell me this differences here? Okay, what is the difference between the normal program? What is the difference between what is the difference between normal program and AI program? What is the difference between a normal program and AI program? So normal program if you see, yes, Ravi Varma. AI program think itself and make fast and accuracy. AI uses past data to work based on actions, execution. Execution, you are saying yes. Okay, yes. Okay. Normal program and AI program. Normal program will give output Triveni. Output we are expecting like one output, but it is collecting our data and suggest. AI will learn by itself. Input rules is normal program. Data output is AI program. Yes. Yes, Lavanya. Yes. So now if you see normal program, see a normal program is written generally. A normal program is written with fixed rules, with fixed rules, right? Normal program is written with fixed rules and what is that logic? Fixed rules and what here? Logic. Fixed rules and logic. Okay, it means what? So computer in this case, what computer will do is computer does exactly okay, computer does exactly what the programmer instructed, what the programmer instructed. what the programmer is instructed. Okay, so computer does exactly what the programmer instructed. Getting on it. So normal program, the rules are fixed. For example, I'm writing a program for calculator. Hmm. Suppose I'm writing a normal program, like what do you call it as a calculator? Okay, or suppose what do you call it as to find a, for example, a mail is a spam or not spam. Then you define some rules. You define some rules in the program. You define some rules in program. Okay, you define some rules in program saying that okay, so if this is a, if the mail contain this pattern, then it is a spam. If this mail doesn't contain this pattern, okay, we'll say it is not a spam. Okay, that is a rule what I define within the program. It means it will work with only that. It will work with only that. It will work with only that. Okay, so a normal program, okay, normal program, suppose if you take a simple Python program, if you see, suppose I'm writing a logic like this. Dear students, are you getting what I'm telling you? Dear students, are you getting what I'm telling you? Yes, dear students, right? So what is the difference here between the normal program and yes, yes. So sir, the same rules must follow in the A program also, right? No, no. That is where A comes into the picture. Ravi Verma. Okay. Suppose I'm writing if I'm writing if win okay, suppose if win in email, if this pattern is there in email, what I'm saying is this email is what here spam. I'm saying this email is what spam email. So it means what will happen? Okay, suppose in email whenever it find the word, it'll just I'm just moving this mail towards spam. Suppose if this word changes, then what will happen? If this word changes, what will happen? If word changes, what will happen? Will it move into a spam? No. Okay, not spam, right? If this word changed, then it doesn't move into what spam. Ring or not. But when it comes to the AI program, okay, AI is it. So generally AI, okay, here in normal program, everything is what here hard coded. Everything is what here hard coded. Hard coded means what is the meaning of this is fixed. Hard coded means what here fixed. But when it comes to in normal program, it is hard coded where the code is fixed. Okay, and not only that, everything you write like conditions, like so works. This will work only. It will work only. What do you call it as known conditions? It will work only on which conditions? Known conditions. It will work only on which conditions? Known conditions, right? So this is what will happen when you work with a normal program. But if you are working with the AI program, so AI program, so what AI program will do is an AI program learn from data and experience. So your AI program learn from data and what is that experience. Okay, learn from data and what is that experience. Okay, so what is the meaning of this is it can make decisions. Okay, it can make decisions and predictions. It can make decision or predictions or improvements. Okay, so improvements without being explicitly programmed. Without being explicitly what here programmed. For every case. For every case. without explicitly, okay, what I meant to tell you is without being explicitly programmed for every case. You don't require, right? Yes. Yes. That is what will happen when you work with what AI program. It means computer learn and decides. Computer learn and what decides. Hmm. Here, computer learn and what decide. Computer learn and what is that decide? Okay, computer learn and decide. But whereas normal program, what you instruct, it will execute only that. The rules are fixed. But here, computer learn. What I'm telling you is computer learn and decide. Okay, in means in normal program, what will happen in yes, in normal program, what will happen is it work on three things. One is a rules plus data. A rules plus data equal to what output in normal program. A rules plus data equal to what here output. But when it comes to the okay data plus what is that data plus output. Now you'll get which one here? Learning model. Now one program you require. Yes. Read the past and analyze and make its own decisions and insights and patterns, then predict that message is spam or not. Yes. Getting on it. So based on the past, yes, that is what I'm saying. A program learn data, it learn from data and what is that experience. But whereas in normal program, everything is what here fixed. Everything is what here fixed. Okay, there is a learning models, and this is where which one comes into the picture? ML, which is nothing but machine learning. This is what machine learning. This is where which one come A within A you have uh, different parts like ML and what is that DL. So this learning model, okay, is an implementation of what do you call it as ML algorithms. Okay, ML algorithms. Okay, so you implement a specific model to learn based on the data as well as what output. Understood? Yes, yes, dear students. You understood the difference here? What is the difference between the normal program and AI program? It means normal program, when you're talking about normal program, so tell me, is it normal program? Suppose, is it normal program? Is it thinker? Is it normal program can think? Yes or no? No. Normal program cannot think. Yes. Is it normal program? Will it learn? Is it learning is done? Is it normal program can learn? Okay. Is it normal program can learn? No. A normal program cannot learn. It cannot think. It cannot learn. Right? No. Static, fixed. It cannot think and it cannot learn. It is fixed. Learning also here, no. Normal program cannot learn. Is it normal program can do adaptation? No. No simulation, no adaptation, no. This is not possible, right? Okay. Now this is also not possible. Adopting is not possible. But when it comes to the AI, it can think, it can learn, and even it can adopt. Getting on it. It can think, it can learn, and at the same time it can also adopt. It can think, it can yes. Understood. This is where you find the difference between okay normal program and what is that AI program. For making this AI program think, learn, and adaptation, you are you are you are you are applying some algorithms, right? Machine learning algorithms. That is nothing but what do you call it as building models. Okay, mm, learning models are creating model. Okay, so that is what is the meaning of it is. Okay, so that is where you find the difference between um, general program as well as AI program. Understood? Yes. Yeah. AI tools work on reinforcement learning based. Yes. It will learn from error. It will learn from trial and what? Error based. Yes, very good. Trial and what? Error based. Trial and error based. Okay. So these are different models, right? What is reinforcement learning is a part of is a machine learning model or not? Ravi Verma. Is it machine learning model or not? Yes. Okay. It is a part of, yes. Okay. All this regressions. Okay. Classifications. All this comes under what? ML. Okay. So AI, yes, clustering, yes. AI is becoming a part of, okay, is a part of software development. It is a part of software development. So every required, every area required, every area is required. This one, artificial intelligence. Getting or not? Okay. It means generally when you talk about industries, some industries uses normal programs, some industries uses what? AI program. But the industries which uses normal program, so they also implement certain things belongs to which one? AI. Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? Some industries which implement or which develop it using a normal program, they are even using which one? AI is a part of their development. For example, if you see normal system or normal what do you call it as normal programs, if you see, like there are some industries which uses normal programs, like for example billing system. Okay, billing systems. Okay, like what do you call it as payroll software. Okay, payroll software, right? Yeah, I'll explain it. Okay, payroll system. Okay, like what do you call it as banking transactions, or which you call it as banking systems. All these are which programs? Normal programs. And these programs required which one? These programs, what it required some. Yes, yes, yes. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. That is what I'm coming to, right? Okay, that is what I'm coming to, right? So it required certain things. These normal programs, they implement certain AI related things. So for that, even you need to learn which one AI. Okay, right? Yes. Is it clear, dear students? Is it clear up to this, right? Okay. Yeah. Now, now, yes. This is what I said. Okay, now comes to why Python. Why Python? Why Python? So why Python? Okay, why Python is used in which one? AI. So whenever you want to build anything, right? Python, see Python is compulsory. Python is a core language for developing what? Python is a core language for developing AI models and developing ML algorithms and creating deep learning systems. And it is also used for deploying intelligent applications. It means Python with AI is nothing but, see here, what I'm telling you is Python with AI is nothing but, Python with AI is nothing but, so it is nothing but, now I'm telling you Python is compulsory. This language is compulsory for building. Python with AI is nothing but using Python programming language. Using Python programming language. Okay. Yeah, Triveni. Just listen this. Okay. Now Ravi Verma, you also right? Okay. So Python with AI is nothing but using Python programming language. Using Python programming language. Why we are using Python programming language in AI? Okay, AI is, see, you are saying it is a, it is a, it is a concept in computer science, right? For building AI, you need to write some code or not. For building AI system, you need to write some code, minimum code. You have to write some code. For writing that code, you need to write code. You need to write the code. For writing that code, what you required? For writing that code, what you required? A language. A language. And there is only one language. There is only one language. Not any language. There is only one language. And what is that language is? Python. It's only one language. And what is that language is? Python. Okay. So now it is used. Python programming language is used in AI for building, to build what your AI models. For build AI model. Suppose you have a AI model. Now can you tell me AI models? Some predefined models you have, right? You have some predefined AI models are there, no? Can you name some predefined AI models? Hmm. GPT. GPT is what? Model. Generative pre-trained transformer. Then anything? Any models? Can you tell me? Can you tell any models? What? Dear students, what happened? You know, yes. So I said GPT. GPT is one model. Gemini. Gemini is model. Okay. Llama is model. Yes. So all these are what? AI models. And all these models are written in which language? All these models are written LLMs. Yes. All these models are written in which language? Come on here. All these models are written in which language? Python. All these models are written in which language? Python. All these models are written in which language? Python. So Python is required for building models or not? Python is required for building models or not? See, you, for using models, for building models, you require Python. To communicate with the model, also you require a Python. Okay, compulsory it is required. Python is required. For building AI models, you require a Python. And not only that, now you want to develop some model algorithms, ML algorithms. You want to build some ML algorithms. For training ML models, you need to build some algorithms. So building algorithm, for that you required one language. So what you are trying to do is you are trying to train what you are trying to train ML algorithms. Okay. So for that again you are using which language? Yes. K means KNN, yes, CNN. Huh? For that again you required a language or not? Lavanya. Yes. Yes. Jagdish, right. Very good. You are saying AI, but for building all these systems, you required one language. Which language you are using for this? Python only. Okay. Okay. Suppose you want to create some deep learning systems. Deep learning systems. How can you develop deep learning systems? Like image recognition, convert text to image, image to text. How you do all this? Is it done automatically? But for that, you need to write one system or not? Yes, but that system you are writing it using Python. No, speech recognition, text to speech. Sorry, text to yes, voice to yeah, speech recognition like voice to text, text to voice, right? Anything for building such kind of systems. What you require? A language. Without language, you cannot build it. Without language, you can not build it. And after building, like for example, like deploying. So deploying some intelligent applications. Okay, intelligent applications. Even for that, you require a language. So Python is a backbone. Python is what here? Backbone language of which one? AI development. So people will not learn this, but they start learning AI. You cannot learn. Compulsory, you have to learn Python. Python is a backbone for AI development. If you are good in Python, you can do wonders in AI. If you are good in Python, you can do wonders in AI. So why Python is used? Okay, there are different reasons again. Why Python is used in AI? Why Python is used in AI is another different reason. Some people say, okay, people says why AI is used in why Python is used in AI only. AI, sorry, very good, Pankaj. Yes. Okay, most of the people, okay, non-technical, okay, non-technical, you are a technical or non-technical, so this is easy to learn. It's a beginner's language and user-friendly language. Okay, syntaxes of Python is very easy. Okay, syntax of Python is very easy compared to other programming languages like C, C++, and what is that, Java. Right, compared to other programming languages, the syntax of Python is more easy. Yeah, it's simple and readable. Yes, it is simple and what is that? Readable. Yes, it is simple and readable. Okay, na? Yes. Yeah, very good. Less coding, you'll say. Yes. Less coding. Less coding. Less coding also. How it is less coding? Short and readable code. Yes. Less coding. And it is having a lot of libraries. Richest set of libraries. Yes. Richest set of libraries. Okay, libraries for AI. For AI related, you find so many libraries belongs to what AI. Lot of libraries are there related with what AI. Richest set of libraries. And not only that, it is having very big community. Python is having very big community. It's nothing but strong community support. Okay, strong community support. It is having very big community. You find so many projects related with AI, right? Getting or not? Okay. So this is why Python is used in AI. Easy to learn and less coding and richer set of libraries for building which system, AI system, and one more is strong community support. Because of that, Python is used for building AI systems. For building AI systems. Okay, getting on it. So there are so many reasons are there. Not this reason. There are so many reasons why it is. I said here, first one I said it is a simple syntax. The syntax of Python is easy. You don't know even programming. You can able to understand. You can able to understand this code. You don't know Python, but still you can able to understand. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, and C equal to what? A plus B. Then I said print what is that? C. You don't know Python, but you can understand this code. Can you understand this code? What I'm doing in this code? What I'm doing in this code? You understood? Yes. What I'm doing in this code? In this code, what I did? This code is for what? You don't know even Python. You can able to understand. Okay, in school, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B. What you have done? Adding of numbers. Adding of numbers. Even though you don't know what is Python, you can able to understand, right? But if it is Java or something, you'll say class something like this. Why you are writing? You should know that. And then you start writing it. Something like this. Public static void main. Okay. So as a non-technical person, you cannot understand all this until unless you know what is class, what is public, what is static. Okay, like you'll say integer A is 10, then you'll write like this integer B is a 20, and then you'll say integer C equal to A plus B, and semicolons and system dot out dot println. So yes, all this you need to take care of it, but it is somewhat difficult or not? Yes. A non-technical person, it'll become very difficult to understand this. Getting or not? So that is where I'm saying Python is more simple. So simple syntax. That's the reason a non-technical person is love working with what? Python. You can say Python dominates the AI world. Python dominates the AI world. Means most of the AI systems are developed in Python only. Developed in Python only. So there are so many ready-made AI tools are provided. That is what you mean by richest set of libraries. Not only that, see here, it is having what do you call it as a big community. Means you can say it is having industry support. It is having industry support, or it is having industry and research standards are there. This Python is having industry related standards. I mean, what industry required, that standards are provided by Python. Like suppose now there are a lot of industries uses Python for research and development, like Google uses, Google is using, and Open AI, Open AI develop one. Google is having their own model, Gemini. Open AI is having GPT model. So Meta is having Llama, right? Like that. See, all these people are using which one? Python. All these people are using which one? Python. No, no. No code is Pankaj. Pankaj. After developing AI system, Pankaj. Okay. After developing tools, no code. But for developing tools, you need to write the code. You are a builder or a user, Pankaj. You are a builder. You are a builder. For builder, you need to write. For builder, you need to write code, Pankaj. You have to write code. You have to write code. Now you suppose you'll say driverless car. Okay, driverless car. You don't know driving. Okay, no driving. No driving, but car drives. But for that, you are developing one system, right? That system required some code. That system required a code, right? So don't think about as a customer point of view. You are a developer. Now developer need to write the code. There is no code. There is no system without code. Understood? So even automation also you need to write. minimum code. Any anything you take, you require this. Okay, you need to write the code. So don't think that AI doesn't require a code. AI required a code. The person who uses AI use the tools. The person who use the tools. Suppose you are using ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT, Ravi Verma? Yes, it's a chatbot. It is a robot. Yes, chatbot it is. It is a chatbot. You are using Alexa. It is a chatbot, right? It is a tool. You are using it. Yes or no? You are using Alexa or something, right? So for writing or for doing that, you need to write some code. Getting or not? So for building it, compulsory you need to write the code. For building it, you compulsory need to write the code. Like Microsoft providing instant question and answers. That is nothing but question and answers are not. That is nothing but question and answers. You ask some question, it is answering it. Yes or no? Right? Yes. So all these companies uses Python for all these companies uses Python for which one? AI research. Okay, all these companies uses Python for AI research. So don't think that AI doesn't require code, Ravi Verma, or any other student. Don't think that. Yes. No. See. Yes. Now you are saying if I build any Python full stack, there is so many AI tools. They're built within minutes. Then how manually code? Yeah. See, the tool AI will give the code. AI will go give the code, but that code is what? That code, if you want to customize, you want to customize the code according to your requirement because that is given by AI, right? Suppose if I ask a Copilot, generate one, what do you call it as? I just given some prompts and I'll tell, so generate some, create some website, okay, portfolio website. Then I'll give all the details, but sometimes it may not generate according to my requirement, right? So in that case, I need to do some changes. But for doing that changes, what you required? For doing that changes, what you required? How you know it whether that code is correct or not? How you know it? Is it that code is correct or not? How to customize it? For that, compulsory you need to know language. AI cannot do everything. AI generated things you are using it, Ravi Verma. You are using certain things. Okay, AI generated things you are using it, and you yes, yes, yes or no? So after generating the code, if I want to use that code, is it that code what it is generated is? You should understand that. For to understand that, Java developer is there. He required some code. Then he asks it, he'll get the code. But how he identifies how to use that code and is it that code is correct or not? To understand that, you need to know Java, right? So without knowing technology, you cannot use AI. Without knowing technology, you cannot use the AI. You are using AI specific to a technology. Without knowing that, you cannot use it. Okay, right? So please try to understand. Not only that's here, the Python is integrated with integrated with integrated with hmm, other technologies like Python can be integrated with C, C++. Python can be integrated with what? Java. So Java people uses and Python can be integrated with some cloud platforms. Okay, cloud platforms and Python can be integrated with some big data tools. Okay, big data tools like it can be used in data engineering with like PySpark, Hadoop, right? Yes. Understood or not? So why Python in AI is there are so many reasons why Python is in what AI, getting or not, right? Jython, MicroPython, Iron Python, which can be integrated with .NET. Okay, like big data tools like PySpark and Hadoop. Okay, right. So MicroPythons for embedded applications, right? Yes. Now, when you see real world, suppose when you see real world AI applications, if you see real world AI applications, so many areas AI applications are used. So many areas AI applications are used. It means software companies develop AI applications for different domains. Okay, suppose you take a domain called finance is there. Which domain is finance domain is there. So a company may build a okay like finance domain means they require some assume that fraud detection. Okay, fraud detection is an AI system may be built for which company? Finance company like banking. Okay, or stock prediction, stock price prediction. Okay, stock price prediction, right? And not only that, like credit scoring. Okay, credit scoring. Now these are the applications belongs to which one? Finance. The company may build suppose a banking organization required a fraud detection system or yes. Now finance company required some AI applications. Okay, it means suppose assume that AI system should block a debit card or credit card. Okay, a AI system should block a debit card or credit card based on what do you call it as some transactions based on the card transactions. Yes, yes, yes. No, no. So I'm just telling you AI applications. Ravi Verma, I'm talking about AI applications. AI applications like it can be used in education. AI applications in education. I'm not talking about Python. I'm talking about AI applications, real world AI applications. Now tell me in education where it is used in AI tutors. Okay, now without teacher is not there. AI tutors, yes. AI tutors means is it a virtual assistant or not? Yes. AI tutors. There is no teacher. Teacherless school. Teacherless school means AI will teach everything. AI will teach everything, right? AI tutors. Anything else like what do you call it as automatic evaluation, automated what year evaluation of marks. I'm talking about education, education. I'm telling you, like AA exams and evaluating it nowadays. Mock interviews are done by what AI. So personalized learning, yes, personalized learning. Even that is done by AI. And not only that, it is also used in what e-commerce. It is in e-commerce. E-commerce for just now we have seen what do you call it as product recommendations. Okay, product recommendations, and what do you call it as chatbots. So that is when you are working with what do you call it as e-commerce sites or e-commerce applications. And it is also in transportation. Okay, transportation where it is used in like self-driving car, self-driving cars, and traffic predictions, yes, traffic predictions, and route optimizations. See, all these are related with AI only, right? And it is also used in cyber security. Sorry, cyber security. How it is in cyber security, like malware classifications, intrusions detection, yes, intrusion detection. Okay, so all these are done by using AI system. And not see all these are the projects. All these are the projects. Okay, it can be in HR and recruitment, HR and recruitment. Okay, resume. What is that? Screening. Nowadays, a resume screening is done by AI system. Interview bots, mock interview. Interview bots are nothing but mock interview, which is done by AI system. AI mock interviews. Okay, not only that, it is also used in agriculture. All these are projects. Agriculture. All these applications you can build it by using AI. Crop disease detection. Okay, crop disease detection. Okay, like and what do you call it as? Yeah, analyze certain things related with agriculture. Yeah, and you can also use in so many applications are there. Like what do you call it as? It is used in entertainment. It is used in entertainment. Okay, entertainment. Like just now we have seen movie recommendation. Okay, movie recommendation. Okay, like music recommendation. All this recommendation system. Like when you're working with Netflix. And not only that, now trending nowadays, trending one is what generative AI. Generative AI. This is trending now. Weather forecasting, yes. Weather forecasting, yes. Srivani, yes. Yes. Forecasting. Generative AI is nothing but text generation, image generation, code generation. So this comes under which one? Generative AI, like ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Copilot is for code generation. Yes or no? Okay. So all this. Now this is generative AI. Now next you have agentic AI, agents, agentic AI, agentic AI. So generating what here? Agents, generating AI agents. So this is generative AI is text generation, image generation, code generation. But agents will not only generate, it will take what here decisions. For example, I want to book a ticket. I want to book a ticket. Okay, then I can ask the agent. Okay, so agent not only give the recommendations, it also book a ticket and make a decision. So that is the usage of which one? Agentic AI or agents, AI agent. Agent meaning you know it. It is a mediator. It is a mediator, right? So that is one more. For that, even you required which one? Python. It means Python is used to build all this. Python is used to build all this. For example, if we take resume screening is there, resume screening and interview bots. Suppose interview bots, okay, based on the report, now you should send some message. Yes. So agents can achieve the goal by actions and decisions. Yes. It can make an action, it can take a decision. For example, uh, suppose interview bots are there. Interview bots, it interview and generate some summary. Based on the summary, I want to take some decision like sending a mail for next step. That can taken care by which one? Agents. Getting on it. Agentic AI, right? Yes. So all these are real world AI applications. But for working with the AI, one thing is required. Which one is required? Python is required. Then how you start learning AI? You start learning AI. The basic steps for learning AI is, okay, first step is you have to start with the Python. Okay. First step is you have to start with the Python. First step you have to start with the Python. Okay. Yes, first you have to start with the Python, and then next you have to start with, okay, Python. After that, you have to learn certain things which are required to move towards the AI. That is nothing but Python, which you can call it as Python with some data science, right? Data analytics or data science. And third, you can just move to what is that? ML. It's nothing but machine learning. Okay, machine learning. Then after that, you can move to next step. You can go for DL, which is nothing but deep learning. And then fifth one is then you should start learning like working with what your generative, okay, generative AI. And then next you can go for agentic AI. Next you can go for which one? Agentic. What is that? AI. Now a person can learn Python with the generative AI. Okay, generative AI, Python with agentic AI means without having a knowledge of MLDL. Okay, you can directly learn this both the things, generative AI and agentic AI, by just having a knowledge of which one? Python. Now nowadays companies are asking for agentic AI engineer or generative AI engineer. For that, what you required? You required a Python and learn generative AI and learn Python and go for what? Agentic AI. But if you want to know how this model works, how these models works, how the model works, then you must have the knowledge of ML and what is that? DL. How this model works. So here you are trying to use the existing here. You are trying to use existing, and here use frameworks. Here use the existing models provided by like I said no GPT and all the other models. You use it as a part of generative AI and what is that? Agentic AI. Okay, but if you want to know how these models build, then you can just go for ML and DL. Yes. So defining the goal, data collect. See, for doing all this, what you required, Lavanya? For doing all this, what you required? Defining the goal, data collection, pre-processing, model selection, model training, evaluating, deploying. For doing all this, what you required? Python. What you required? Python. So how you collect the data? For that, you collect the data from web. If you want to collect the data from web, what do you have to do? You should know web scraping. If you want to collect the data from database, you should know how to communicate with the database. If you want to collect the data from file, you should know how to load the data from the file. And pre-processing is nothing but cleaning. So how you do that? For that, again, you need to know coding. Model selection. Okay, so you need to know which library to be used for what. Model selection and model training, then evaluation and deploying it. Getting or not? Okay, but there are some pre-trained models are there, right? Yes, pre-trained models are there provided by. Okay, pre-trained models are there or not? Okay, pre-trained models like GPT is a pre-trained or not? Yes. Then how can you use that? That comes under which one? Generative AI. How can I use pre-trained models along with my own? That comes under which one? Agentic AI. Understood? Right? So, but this is how you need to start it. You cannot directly move into ML, DL, okay, generative AI or agentic AI. But first, you should start with the Python and Python with some data science tools, and then you can jump to generative AI, or you can jump to what? Agentic AI. You can jump to generative AI, or you can jump to what? Agentic AI. Right? Yes. Anything? Yeah, dear students, this is what I want to tell you as a part of this workshop. I just wanted to give you a brief idea about Python with AI. Means why Python is used in AI and what are the real-time applications of AI. What is AI? What is the difference between a normal program and what AI program? Right? Yes, rules are fixed, but AI it learn from patterns. It learns from patterns or it learns from past experience. That is how AI works. AI can predict it like the way how human predict it. Yes. So that is where you find the difference. Okay. Yeah. You want to ask any questions, you can ask now. You want to ask any questions, you can ask now. Dear students, what I said, you understood? What I said, you understood, right? Yeah, after completing full stack with prompt engineering, you can go for generative AI and agentic AI. I'm saying no. How long will it take to complete Python with Gen AI, right? See, this may take some 2 months. I'm telling you, this Python with Gen AI, agentic AI. Okay, suppose you want to learn Python with Gen AI, so this may take 2 to 2.5 months. You can complete this, and this is also 2 to 2.5 months. You can complete this. Okay, so it doesn't take much time. Already you know generative AI, then learning agentic is very easy. Okay, yeah, this workshop is already there in YouTube. It is live. It's already live. This live streaming is done. You can see in Naresh IT channel. Okay, okay, Purushottam. Yeah, any questions you want to ask, you can ask, right? Any questions related with this? I means how to start with Python with AI. Okay, but I'm saying no. AI is required. AI is required. Long career gap means how much gap you have, Lavanya? How much gap? Yeah, you must have a knowledge of APIs. Like if you are working with generative AI, you call the API, you communicate with models by using APIs. Then that is required. That is required. That is required. But that you learn as a part of your generative AI or agentic AI. Yeah, it is possible, but you need to how you show that career gap, that is very important. How you show that career gap you have, right? how you manage that career gap is very important. You have to start with the Python only. If you want to move towards AI, or you want to learn, okay, data science or ML, DL, generative or agentic, first you have to start with first you have to start with Python. Without Python, you cannot do anything. Okay. If you are able to manage your career gap, no problem. How you manage that career gap, that is important, because they ask you, right, why you have this many career gap. Libraries are nothing but pre-written programs. What they dictate is some rules and regulations. Okay, those are some pre-written programs with some pre-written functionality. Pre-written programs with some pre-written functionality. That is what you mean by library. Mm, Yeah, planning to start like Python with Gen AI. So when it is means no idea, but planning to start Python with generative AI and agentic AI without ML DL. Okay, without ML and DL, only Python with generative AI and agentic AI. See, there are a lot of libraries are there. There are a lot of libraries are like suppose if it is data science, NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Matplotlib. Okay, you have lot of libraries. Okay, lot of libraries. Suppose if you are working with MLDL, you find libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn. You find lot of libraries. Okay, now yes. I didn't get Lavanya. What kind of strategies are used in large scale Python projects means? I didn't get that. Lavanya T. Knowledge is required. Yes. Means while developing you're talking about development processor. See, project life cycle is different than strategies are nothing but development of project only, no? That depends on what kind of project on which you are working. Hmm, okay, right? Yes. So anything, Python batch. Tomorrow there is Python batch. Tomorrow I'm starting a Python batch at 11 a.m. Tomorrow I'm starting one Python batch at 11 a.m. So those who are interested, they can attend. Okay. Yeah, you have a Django and other things for web development. Yeah, this is full stack Python with AI. So full stack Python with prompt engineering. So in this you'll be learning prompt engineering, right? Number to contact. No, already our admin is given number. Admin is already given number in the chat window. No, Pradeep, you're there. Pradeep, Pradeep, are you there? Yeah, just a minute. Pradeep, you're there. You can see there. So admin number and where is your number, admin Pradeep? Where is your number? Give me your number, Pradeep. You can see the link there. Okay, you can see the link, and and you can join in that WhatsApp. It'll give your details. Okay. This course duration is like it will take 5 to 6 months. It will take full stack Python with prompt engineering. It will take 5 to 6 months. Yeah, syllabus and everything. He'll share it. You just send a message to that admin WhatsApp. He'll share it. He'll share the syllabus and everything. Okay, no problem. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, I think you understood what I said in the workshop, right? All of you. Right. So you can join my Telegram also. This is my Telegram. You can join my Telegram. This is my Telegram ID. This is my Telegram. You can join this. This is my Telegram ID. My name is Satish Gupta, and this is my Telegram ID. You can join in this. And any updates and new batches and any workshops, you'll find notifications in this. This is my Telegram code with Satish Gupta, right? So please join this Telegram. Okay, thank you. Thank you, right? So we'll see in the next workshop. Whenever I conduct one more workshop, you can attend that. But tomorrow I'm starting one new full stack Python batch at 11 a.m. So those who are interested, they can attend this batch. Okay. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow. Right.